smooth sailing tonight. Anything that you want from me, of the night. There ain't nothing but smooth sailing tonight. Anything that you want from me, of the night. Every single heartache will be kissed in love.
All right, guys, we got a bombshell sponsor, y'all. This is V Show Hair. Now, first of all, I know y'all like, wait a minute, that cannot be a wig. I know it does look like my real hair. It is so thick and coily. I love it. Now, guys, this is a kinky, curly afro wig. You want to add water to it, add mousse to it, and brush it out and define it, you can. But I want to do something a little bit different. I want to see how this wig is going to react to like heat. So what I'm thinking about doing is maybe just putting some juicy like curls in it, just to kind of define the curl a little bit more. And then I don't want to lose the volume on the wig. Now, this is a glueless unit. You don't have to add any hairspray or anything to the unit. I did add just a little bit off of camera, just right here, and then right here on the side. I can't believe that they were able to get just such a beautiful natural curl. As far as the lace, I did add just a little bit of foundation to the lace just to get it to look a little bit more natural. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil sheen. Oh my God. Okay, yeah, that made a difference, but I still want the parting to look a little bit more natural. What I think I'm gonna do is go ahead right now and just add a little bit of concealer, because I'm not gonna want to go back and do this step after, you know, I get the curls and stuff in here. So I'm just gonna add just a little bit. And then I'm also gonna add some Pantene conditioning spray. So y'all, in terms of putting the unit on, this unit is gonna take less than 5 minutes to put on. You don't necessarily have to do anything to it. You can wear it in its natural state, or you can do what I'm doing, which is, you know, defining the curls a little bit if you want to. This is definitely a grab and go unit. You don't necessarily have to take the steps that I'm taking. You can wear it in its natural state. But y'all know I always have to experiment. You guys know how much I just love hair. But anyway, y'all, let me speed up the process. And what I'm gonna do is come back and let you guys know my final review on this gorgeous unit. I'm gonna share my thoughts, and then I'll share all of the details on where you can actually make your purchase.
I'm looking for somebody I can call, boo. Looking for the only one who I can give my all to. Tell me if it's you. Tell me if it's you. Said you can be my teacher, I do homework. You can give me extra credit, baby, I'll do more work. What you wanna do? I wanna get freaky. Tell me, baby, what must I say? What must I say? What must I do, baby? I wanna get freaky. Think about freaking you. What must I say? Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Tonight, baby, freaking with you. Ain't never been a man wanting anything.
All right, y'all, so this is how the hair looks once we add these gorgeous curls. Y'all, look at the body. Look at the body in this. So it is so cute. So what I want to do is just kind of lightly pull some of these gorgeous curls out. And I wanted to do that with you guys just to show you how easy and manageable the hair is. I don't think I'm gonna pull everything out, just a little bit to give us just a little bit more volume. I was not expecting to love this hair as much as I do. I really wasn't. I am so impressed by the quality of the hair. I'm impressed by the body. I'm impressed by the fact that it does hold a gorgeous curl, the volume of the hair, the density of it, the hairline. Now, as far as the hairline, I am gonna go in and just add a little bit more hairspray. I'll probably add a little bit of bronzer, but I am so impressed. You do not have to cut in this hair. And I'm gonna be honest, it's already layered. I would not recommend that you cut it unless you just want to get it a little bit shorter. But in terms of just cutting in it and stuff like that, you don't need to do that because the hair itself is the moment. And I've been loving hair that's the moment. I love hair where you don't need too many accessories or anything like that because the hair is the accessory and the hair is the party. Look at that. Look at that. Look how easy and just seamless that was. And look at that body. So gorgeous. All right. So what I'm going to do now is just go in with a little bit of spray. Y'all don't have to do this, but I want to do it because I just want that perfectly melted lace. Now, if you choose not to do this, all you really have to do is add some bronzer. So you can do it that way, but of course, y'all know me, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist girl. Now this is giving a very like retro, modern 70s vibe. I know y'all sick of me. Now this unit is for all of my girls that have been wanting to wear a unit, but you're really not into like the silky straights or the body waves. You want your hair to look natural as possible. This is going to be the perfect unit for you. And you can kind of, if you wanted to, you could wear it back a little bit like that. Ooh, y'all, baby, y'all gonna be sick of me. Baby, this wig says, I did not come to play with you. That's what it says. If it gets a little bit too voluminous for you girls, you can always just go in with either a hot comb, a straightener, or a curling iron and just kind of, you know, press it down a little bit. I think the last thing I'm gonna do, just to make sure that it has that super melted look, I'm just gonna go in with my bronzer because that, you know, I just want to make sure that everything just looks seamless and perfect. This is definitely what I would classify as a corporate bombshell unit. And anytime I'm classifying a unit as corporate bombshell, that means that it is very easy to go. You pop it on and you go. And it's a showstopper. Y'all can't tell me. You cannot tell me if I don't walk in somewhere, the show ain't gonna stop. The show is gonna stop if I walk in with this gorgeous hair. But anyway, okay. But you guys are probably tired of me going on and on and on about this fabulous unit. So what I'm gonna do is make sure that I link everything below. So I'll make sure I link this exact unit. I'm also gonna link VShow Hair information below. Also, if VShow Hair is gracious enough to offer us an additional discount code, I'll make sure that I link that below as well. You guys let me know in the comment section if you love this unit as much as I do. Once again, I would like to thank VShow Hair for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.